Alright, on to number 19. This is the 2012 Algebra 2 exam in the Pacific High School Math Competition. For real numbers a and b, define a diamond b, it's a new symbol, just a new operation, to be a squared plus b squared, or the square root of the quantity of a squared plus b squared. What is the value of this expression? Okay, so I see 5 diamond 12, and then whatever that equals diamond, negative 5 diamond negative 12. Okay, so the first thing we can observe is these are the same numbers, except these are negatives on the right hand side, and when you square a negative number you get a positive result. So the left hand side and the right hand side should be the same thing. So let's figure out what 5 diamond 12 is. 5 diamond 12 is equal to the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 25 plus 144 equals 169, which is 13. I don't know if you are watching this after you've taken geometry, but in case you're taking Algebra 2 before geometry, there are these triangles called 3, 4, 5 triangles. I'm sure there's a name for them, but I just know them as 3, 4, 5 triangles. They're right triangles where the legs are 3, 4, and the hypotenuse is a whole number. It's when every side of a right triangle is a whole number. And 5, 12, 13 is another such example. You might have recognized the square root of a squared plus b squared to be equal to c, or the Pythagorean theorem. Anyway, that was a fun little tangent. So okay, now we have 13, and we know that this is the same thing as this because the negatives, when squared, go away. So you have, I'll use a new color, 13 diamond 13, get the square root of 13 squared plus 13 squared, which is just the square root of 2 times 13 squared. And you can pull the 13 out since that's a square and you're square rooting a square. And you're left with 13 root 2, which is actually answer choice D. And that is our final answer.